The New York Times reported that President Joe Biden wants to make moving to the United States easier. I'll see it when I believe it. Now, according to a 46-page government document, the Biden administration wants to make our legal immigration system easier. The draft document outlined plans to undo lots of Trump regulations, also to make forms easier, make the process easier, and do a lot of the applications online. I have seen in my career as an immigration lawyer for over 30 years, the government always saying they're going to make it easier. And every time the government says they're going to make it easier, you know what happens?
What?
They make it harder.
It gets harder.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Every single time?
I can't imagine. I don't remember one time they made it easier. In 30 years, they've always made it harder and harder every year, no matter what they say.
I have high hopes for 2021 in this administration.
You have more faith in this?
I have faith in it because remember, we even talked about it during the debate. This was the first time the number one issue wasn't it immigration, and we had talked about that. We were like, oh, usually in the debates they're not. So hopefully they actually, say what they mean what they say.
By the way, there is no person in the world who's more in favor of easier than harder than me. Okay, because I have worked very hard to get people visas for 30 years. I'd like to have an easy year every so often. Okay, so nobody wants it more than I do. Of course, my clients as well. Now, according to the New York Times, the document said the Biden administration plans to revamp many of the programs, the H-1B program, which is your skilled worker program, your temporary skilled worker program. They're going to revamp the U visa program. The U visa are people who were the victims of crimes, and they are also going to overhaul both asylum and skilled worker labor applications. We'll see how that actually works out.